I'm going to show you today how to get this look and do it in a matter of minutes. I used one compact. So this is my double-decker compact, and everything I needed to do with my makeup is right in here, and there's room to add other products down the road that I'd like. I'm going to focus using one brush today, and this is the Detail HAC brush. HAC is highlight and contour, so that is our foundation. So we highlight certain parts of our face and we contour certain parts to add dimension to them. So I want to show you how amazing this brush is and why you need to add it to your makeup routine and how easy it is to do your makeup with just one compact. So I've used my Stay Spray before I do my makeup. So this is our versatile product that you spray on your face before and after you do your foundation. So our Stay Spray also comes in an SPF version. You can spray it directly on your face, or you can spray it on our Perfector sponge and then dab it on. So I have that on there just so that my makeup goes on smoothly and so it lasts all day. I'm using one of my favorite compacts. This is our double decker. I love this compact because you can hold so many different tints in it, and this particular one is in the crushed velvet finish. So everything I need to do my face is in this gorgeous compact. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna address the dark circles underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna be using one of our highlights. So our highlights are part of our foundation line. This particular one is Mango, and Mango is fantastic if you have dark circles. So I've done my color correcting to address the dark circles underneath my eye. There's so many different ways to apply this makeup. I'm just gonna show you one unique way today. I'm using the Detail HAC brush. This brush is an amazing brush for contouring. You can also do your highlight with it. So I'm gonna start off in this dark brown color right here, and that is my contour. So contouring just adds shadow and dimension to your face. I'm gonna take my bigger end of the Detail HAC brush and go right into my contour, and I'm just going to gently place that contour line along my cheekbone. So we are adding natural shadowing back into your face. So you could start off with your highlight first or your contour. I'm just showing you one way today of applying your makeup, and you can take the flat end of the Detail HAC, and when you apply your contour, just feather that up because you want to make sure you're defining your cheekbones and making your face look thinner than what it is. I'm going to add contour on my forehead. You want to think of it like a triangle. So if you were to take your fingers and do a triangle right here, you want to focus that contour down that way, so you keep this triangle part on your forehead nice and light. Then I'm going to follow my jawline just like it's a road map and start right here and put a shadow along my jaw and blend that contour line down into your neck so it blends evenly. I'm going to use the same end of that brush because our brushes are meant to be versatile, and I'm going to apply my highlight. So this is my main highlight right here, and highlight is used to give you coverage so that you can cover up any problem areas that you may have. So I'm going to just focus using the bottom of the Detail HAC brush and apply that main highlight wherever I need coverage. other end of the Detail HAC and go on my accent highlight. So that is my lightest color of my highlight, and you're gonna place this wherever you wanna brighten, wherever you want that pop of brightness. So for me, I'm definitely gonna focus underneath my eyes and apply that accent highlight in a pie piece and brighten up underneath the eye and make myself look more awake. You see the difference that makes by placing that accent highlight underneath my eye compared to this one. You can see how much more awake I look on this side. I'm going to put a little bit in my T-zone and brighten up that area. For that extra pop, I like to bring it down my Cupid's bow and down a little bit on my chin. And then if you want to really make your contour line stand out on your cheekbones, place a little bit of that accent highlight right underneath where you have that contour. I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm just, same brush, the Detail HAC. I'm gonna take the flat end and go right into my contour, and I'm going to place a little bit of a shadow on my nose to contour it. I'm going to place my accent highlight down the bridge of my nose, so that way I make my contour of my nose really pop. Take your perfector sponge, make sure you have it wet and that you've wrung out the excess water, and just bounce that perfector sponge on your face to dab any excess of the makeup off, because you don't want to have too much makeup on. We're going for a natural look. And this also helps push the cream makeup in. And then I'm going to set that with my Stay Spray, the same spray I used in the beginning. That way my makeup lasts all day. You could apply your bronzer in your lip and cheek now. I prefer to set my foundation right after I've applied it. I've gone ahead, after I've used my Stay Spray, I like to set my makeup with a loose powder. We have a loose powder in a tin called Vanilla Dust. I have really oily skin and I like a really matte look to my makeup. So this one by Coty Airspun is one of my favorites. So I've dusted that on my face wherever I want to set my makeup. But another trick I like to show you is I like to set my contour with our Cayman bronzer. So I use our Bella bronzer to warm my face up, and I'll use that in just a second, but this is our bronzer that is a powder Cayman, and I like to just lightly apply a little bit of Cayman right wherever I have my contour on my face, on my cheekbones and on the top of my foreheads. That way a loose powder doesn't take any color away that you've put where you have the shadow. Then I said I was going to use bronzer. So this is my bronzer, Bella, and I love to use a cream bronzer on my face to warm it up. So Bella is so nice because it blends really beautifully with the makeup. And when you use a bronzer, you're literally just applying bronzer wherever the sun naturally kisses your face. So I just apply a little bit of bronzer on the top of my cheekbones. And I'm using a really light brush called the BBF. This is the best blend forever. And this is a great brush for applying your whole makeup if you want. I'm just showing you one look today of applying bronzer with the BBF. Now with that same brush, brush, I'm going to apply my blush. So I'm gonna be using two different colors today that I absolutely love. So this first one is Frenchy, and I love Frenchy because it's just a soft coral, and these are cream products, so they blend so pretty with the rest of the makeup, and they give you a soft, natural glow. So with your blush, you wanna make sure you smile and go upward. That way you're not pulling too much color right in here. We're trying to keep that area nice and light. And so I'm using that Best Blend Forever, and I'm just gonna use a soft circular motion and blend that lip and cheek color Frenchy all the way up. And then for a little pop, I like to put this soft pink color Petal just in the front part of my cheeks. Same brush, Best Blend Forever. I'm gonna go in this white powder right here. This is Starlet, and it is a beautiful illuminator that I like to just smile and go upward at the very top of my cheekbones, and that's just gonna create extra light and bring it on. I love adding illuminator. I'm gonna switch the BBF brush and go in the smaller end and just bring that illuminator a little down my nose and a little of my Cupid's bow just to create some extra light. Lips. So I like to contour my lips. It's just a little extra thing that I do. I'm gonna use my same contour I used earlier, and I'm using a brush by Morphe. This one is number 213, and it is fantastic for contouring your lips. So contouring your lips is a little different than lining them. It's literally going on the very outer edge of your lips, and it just makes them appear more full than what they are. Okay, so I have contoured them. I've made my lips look fuller, and I'm gonna use the same products that I used on my cheeks for my blush for my lips, because they are called lip and cheek. So I'm gonna first use Frenchy. I'm gonna soften that a little with that pink Petal. Isn't that so pretty? I love how natural that looks. Almost done. Gonna add some eyeliner in the bottom of my lash line now that I have my powder on. So this is our eyeliner Black Friday, and our brush, the Hot Line. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that eyeliner on the very bottom outer corner. I'm gonna throw some mascara on, and then I am done. Last but certainly not least is my perfume. So I love our perfume because it does come in a tin, and it has rose gold cream illuminator, so you can apply that perfume wherever you put your illuminator. I like to take a brush and rub it on my neck, and it smells so good. We have 4 fragrances. Number 3 is my favorite. So if you'd like to get started with mascara beauty, all you have to do is send me a selfie, and I'm gonna color match you, and that just means I'm gonna recommend the best highlights for you and a color of contour that matches your skin tone, and then give you a few other recommendations for lip and cheek, bronzer, and so forth. So what Mascara Beauty is it's customizable makeup that you pick and choose what you want in your compact, whether that's the eyeshadows, perfume, certain lip and cheek colors, illuminator, and so forth. So everything comes right into your compact. You get these compacts free based on your purchases, and shipping is always free, so that's amazing. So my main brush I used today was the Detail HAC. This is my favorite brush when it comes to contouring. All our brushes are specifically made for cream makeup application. They're double-ended. They are the best of the best. I love this brush. This is a great starter brush. And then obviously our Stay Spray to use before and after makeup so that it lasts all day and you look flawless. If you'd like to get started, send me a selfie. I'd love to help you out, and I'd love to get you out there gorgeous.